How? Oh my god, I cannot do this with TikTok, I swear. Do 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 do. Wait lang daw. Okay. So yes, habang naka-live ako, nagbabasa rin ako ng text ni AZ. So what was I saying? Yeah, si AZ, super sweet, super clingy in person. Pero pag sa text, ang dry niya, hindi talaga ako sanay. Ako, I'm such an emoji girl. Super. Kung paano ako in person, ganun din ako over text. Ang daming emojis. I use caps lock and everything. Siya talaga, lahat lowercase. Where are you? Ganon. Nothing. Wait lang, what's this? Cute, magkasunod lang live nyo ni AZ. Yes, I know. Ewan ko kung anong trip ng dalawa. Dinadamay ako. Ano ba to? Dapat natutulog ako ngayon. Sino yung lowercase po? Si AZ. Baby, dance with me. Baby, put your arms around me. What you doing, guys? Kumain na ba kayo? As a friend. Hi, Jelin. Yes. It's kasi makaka-invite siya pag 8:24 na. I have no idea how TikTok works. You know what? Kaka-post ko lang ng brand something. Shadow ba na naman ako? Yes. Pero okay lang yan. Oh, I saw somebody say BYS. Hold on a second. What was that? Oh, I can't find it. Ay, ang bilis talaga mawala ng mga comments dito. I miss you guys. I don't think I'm gonna be singing for y'all tonight. I just wanted to pop in and say hello. How to pronounce my surname? Oh my god, thank you. It's called Ballinger. Ayan. Wait lang, bakit 8:24 pa makakapag-invite? Diyos ko, kaloka. Hi. Wait, sige. Hintayin natin 8:24. Yun yung sabi nung dalawa. I'm trying to invite pero naka-off yung invite. So, I don't know why. Wait lang. What if I just end this? Wait lang. I'll be back, guys. Love you. Yeah. Roach!
Uy! Okay na ito. Tiranan yun.
It's a secret. It's a secret. You guys will find out tomorrow, but for now.
La 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 la.
Dami mong energy, AZ, ah. Parang hindi yan.
Kahit walang tulog, no? What? Where are we going? Oh, we're going there. Uy, ba't parang nakakatakot?
Para malinisan nila.
Okay. Give me a tumbler.
Come here.
Asa na bangs mo, AZ? Gusto niyo makita yung bangs ni AZ? Nakita yung bangs ni AZ.
Hindi po akin yun natin.
Wait lang. Ano magamitin to?
Wait lang
Naiiwan ko sa bag mo.
Bakit mukha siyang bird nest sa akin? Diyos ko. Oh my God. Ari ko.
Wait lang.
Yeah, she totally just hijacked your live.
But now I'm back. So, what we saying?
Yung bangs ni AZ. Nandito sa akin.
Ay, oo nga pala. Asan yung bangs niya?
Ito.
Yung bangs yan.
Ay, nako. At yung tumbler ko nasa kanya pa din. Ano to? Exchange.
Bakit tumbler mo nandito? Wala. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. Oh. Bibili ko yung mga seats. Dapat ganito live. We take time. Tayo nag-uusap. Tapos kayo easy. Pero I get more time than, ayan natin, magagawin na naman yung live sa akin.
Okay.
Perfect.
Then, ayan na. Bumalik na siya. Ayan. You guys are so sibling coded. Oh my God.
Alright.
Hindi, we're team Jaws. So, yun yung ano.
Jaws?
Jaws daw eh. Ano ba? Jaws ba or Azesh?
Ewan ko.
Azesh.
Okay.
La, la, la,
No, what's our other trio name?
Oh, our trio name? It's Kiz.
His.
No, just Kiz.
No,
Hindi,
just
alam mo,
his.
Kish, para walang ambag si AZ.
Hindi, Kish as. Grabe. Ang tagal niyo naman dyan. Grabe.
Wala, bumisita lang ako here.
Nakaka. Ano? Wala ka naman ginagawa.
Lala.
Magka-karaoke kami ni AZ eh. Gusto mo marinig?
Go. De, gusto ko yung AZ, sundo.
Go.
Yan. Yun na lang.
Tadasan lang kita.
Bakit walang sound?
Hindi. Ano ba? Nag-mute lang. Nag-mute lang.
Ay, na-mute na. Again, one more.
Again.
Sino?
Ano ba? Dapat may ghost singer. Ay, nako. I miss you guys agad.
Easy, touch your hair kapag may something sila Kira and Josh.
Ito talaga?
Baka mo naging banks eh.
Nandun kay Kira! Naiwan ko kagabi.
Nasa akin. Ayan na, nagsabunutan na sila.
Wig yan. Wig. Jockeys. Oh, ako na una. Josh, Kira, AZ, Jockeys. Ambag mo lang Z. Ako, ambag ko J.
Kiss Jo.
Oh, ambag mo lang Z. Jockeys. Yeah.
Kish
Ay, gusto
ass.
ko yun, no? Ba't pa sinabi? Kishaz.
I love Kish ass.
Why are you guys putting me at the end?
Because it's funny.
Hello?
So you're
Hello. Ay, ano siya? Hello.
Hello?
Hello. Girl,
Hello?
kasama mo ko in person. Bakit hello ka ng hello? Hindi to phone call.
Ay, nako.
Wait, what? Oh.
Hello?
Hello?
Hello? Hello? Lala mo, Easy?
Oh no. Let's not talk about that.
Yes, let's
Please.
not. Let's not.
That's mine. Josh showed me the video.
Too much. Laban tayo. Start match.
Ano to?
Anong
Ano to?
na naman?
Hindi ko alam eh.
Ala! Ano to? Bakit may ano?
Ito yung ginawa natin. Whoever gets more wins. And if you lose, ano pa ni punishment kay
More what?
Yun niya yung banks for the whole life.
Oo. So ito may bangs for the whole life. Pag natalo ka. Pero pag natalo kami, ano gawin natin pag talo tayo?
Go.
Libre mo ako
lang.
ng
What's happening? Oh my God, ano to?
Guys! Me.
Me,
Not
me,
here.
me. Guys, me. Please.
Guys,
Please.
Let's keep it up, man. Ano ba yun? What is this ba? Tama ba to?
Paano yung laban dito? Sino ba dapat manuntok? Wait lang.
Oh, it's gifts.
Ah,
I got a
gift?
heart.
Wow, you're getting so many na.
But
You're
have a
winning.
lot.
You're winning.
No.
Guys.
Si AZ dati
Oh,
lumaban kami.
wins. Oh,
10 seconds left, may bumagsak sa akin. I was like, uy.
Really?
Ano to,
Bilis,
Bahay ni
ah.
Kuya.
Oo.
Clutch.
In the club, we are fam.
Ba't ka nakangiti dyan, uy? Diyos ko po.
Wala, ano
Please.
yan? What that?
Ay! Nawala na ako. Guys, don't let Kira win.
Oh my gosh! Oh, thank you. Yes, guys, tama behavior yan. Yes, love it. Thank you. Paano yan?
Nakapagawa tayo ng talo. Hindi, pag italo ako, sige, libre ako ni AZ.
No, you libre me.
Damn.
I'm just a guest here,
Ano,
man.
matcha?
Ako, Josh.
Matcha?
Iba naman, ang dami ng matcha.
Patay ka kaya, no?
Oh.
Uy.
Oo.
Guys,
Bunga nga.
let me win. Matulog ka na, AZ.
Di na ako.
Sanay na wala ka.
Go, kanta ka na, go.
Uy, baka biglang walang matalo ka dito pagkakanta ko.
Feeling ko mas mananalo pag kumanta ka.
Okay.
Mahirap pang inana. Ano bang song? Give me a song.
Ano ba? Ano ba bagay kay AZ?
Oh my God, let's do a game.
Bagay kay AZ, ano eh?
Bagay.
Tumating po. A, B, C, E, F, G,
Alphabet.
H, J, K, L, M, N, O,
P.
Ba't ka doon tumigil?
Y,
W.
Now I know my A, B,
C.
C. That's the won't you sing with Naku ah.
Oh, thank
What?
you.
Oh yeah, baby! Oh yeah, baby!
Yes! Let's go!
I'm
Guys, wag niyo na ibigay kay Josh. Ibigay niyo na kay Kim.
Oh yan na, count to the left.
O yan, narinig niyo na mismo from AZ. Akin na lang.
Gotta be me, yo. Oh, wait. So, ano yung rule? Kung natalo si Kira, susunod yung bangs the whole life.
Oh.
Ano?
Yeah, I mean, you have to wear the bangs the whole life.
No.
Yeah, but if Josh loses, he has to libre me ice cream.
Go.
Oh my God.
I want ice cream
Josh
right
looks
now.
like, you're gonna get that ice cream.
Ayoko na, Hello, tambak na tayo.
Ikaw lang yung may dare.
Back. Oo nga, no. Oh, thank you, guys.
Oo, may dare ka rin.
What?
Alam mo ko bilan ng lalaking suitcase. Pero may wala na. Hindi na makakabot.
For what?
Why?
Clean sweep na, clean sweep. Ay, hindi. Car wash.
Lakas mo.
Napaka-crush mo ng kotse ko ba?
Diba? Diba?
Ang random!
Oy! Guys, come on. Pakitaan niyo ko ng malupitan na bagsakan. Simulat tayo.
Not gonna happen. Eh.
Oh my God, they want you to give me ice cream.
Guys, you could have seen her wear like bangs.
Cookies and cream, please. Oh, you
Ayan.
lost! You lost! Cookies and cream! Cookies and cream and double dutch. Sige na.
Oh my gosh.
Cookies and cream and double dutch.
Hashtag join the national hunt. Yun nga.
Yes, sir. Join the national hunt.
Oh my gosh.
Ano, rematch?
Don't catch the beans. Ano to? You know this catch the beans?
Nope.
Okay, this. What's this?
Sige, go. Pagtripan natin.
Wow, wow, wow.
Maddie, come here. Come here. Come here, Maddie. Come here, baby. Come.
Walang tao.
Let's go na!
Maddie says hi.
Inuwi ko na ng sweater.
Oh, yes. Nag-aaway na naman sila. Away na naman kayo.
Stressing me out.
Always.
Let's go na. Already. Siyempre, tinanggal ko muna yung makeup ko. Aray! Ay! Ay, nagawa ko. Ouch. Aray ko po.
Wait, guys. I'll go na.
Where are you going?
Kasi una na rin
To
kami.
bed. Girl,
Why?
gigising ako ng 3. Hindi pala, aalis ako dito ng 3.
Alright.
Sabay ka ba sa akin? No. Okay. Sabay siya sa atin pa uwi.
Wag na.
Oh, she said no.
Oh, she
Wag
said.
na. Wag na. Tayo na lang easy. Wag na siya.
Yeah. Just,
Alright, dala ko muna ng ice cream to.
is it me?
Hindi ka
Let's go.
sasabay papunta? Hindi siya sasabay papunta?
I'll bring my
It's
own.
just us. We're gonna
Okay.
go drive to.
Oh.
Yes.
We're gonna go take
Yes.
cute photos.
Alrighty then, guys. We'll see you all soon at thank you lahat. Sana next.
Bye. Thank you for the gifts, guys.
Thank you for the gifts. See you all soon. Have a
night.
good night.
Wala
See you guys
pang
tomorrow.
tulog na ako.
Tulog na rin ako.
Same.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye, Kira Bells.
Bye-bye. Bye, Joshi. Bye, AZ.
Hi, Kira. I love you. Kaya mo yun.
I love you so much.
Kaya mo yun.
Hindi.
Hindi?
Hindi.
Kung alam niya lang.
Ah!
Ay, na!
Ay, nako. Alam mo, ganyan lang yan. Ganyan lang yan si Josh. Kayo maniwala dyan.
Hanggang
Bye.
salita ka lang. Siya, no?
Ay, nako. Tingnan mo yung mukha mo. Hindi mo ako makukuha sa ganyan. Hindi.
Hindi ko kang ingit eh.
Ha?
Go. Dapat masungit mo kami.
Alright, siya. Sige na.
Ages ka na dito. Ready. See you.
Bye. Ingat kayo.
Bye-bye. Take care, everybody.
Bye.
Bye. Ingat kayo.
I'll call you later.
Call me, girl. Bye.
Peace, peace.